Hey my doTERRA family, how are you? It's Kendra, and I am so excited to start giving you guys some DIY videos each month along with Emily and Maggie. We brainstormed about this and we thought, I think this is missing and I think people would appreciate it. So we're gonna start doing these every month. And so let us know if you like them and we'll keep doing them, okay? All right, so here I am in my kitchen because I'm going to show you guys how to make protein balls that are super yummy and super simple. So you're in my kitchen that is getting remodeled in a month and I cannot wait, you guys. We've been in this house, it'll be 5 years in November. We're in September right now. And as you can see, like this house was built in 1978 and nothing in the kitchen has ever been updated. So we're gonna bang out this wall and oh my gosh, we've got this whole plan and we're ready to finally move on that. So you get to see my kitchen one last time before it's completely different. Okay, so the ingredients in these protein balls are really simple. There's a half a cup of peanut butter or almond butter. I have almond butter here and it's the Costco kind, the kind that you have to stir. By the way, here's a trick. If you've ever bought this and you go crazy with having to stir that forever, just put one beater on your handheld beater and stick it in there, but just make sure you hold onto this super tight. Trust me. Okay, the next trick I have for you, well, okay, so that's our first ingredient. We have a fourth cup of honey, and this is the trick I do with honey. Spray the cup first with some kind of cooking oil spray. This is coconut, and your honey will just spill right out. No stickiness on your cup, right? You're welcome. Okay, 2 cups of oats. These are old-fashioned oats, and then a scoop of chocolate protein powder. This is doTERRA's new line of protein in the chocolate version. So 1 scoop of that. And that's the basic recipe. If you want, you can add things to it. I'm going to add coconut today, unsweetened coconut. You can add pumpkin seeds. I don't have those on hand today. My kids don't love pumpkin seeds, so I don't usually add those, but you can. A fourth of a cup, whatever you're gonna add. I have added chocolate chips before. Sometimes you just need a little chocolate in there, so it's all good. Okay, oh, and then a 4th cup of water. That's pretty important too. So all you do is you put it all in the bowl together. So there's my 1 cup of oats, and I've got 1 more cup I'm gonna measure out for you guys. We're in front of you guys. I don't have the magic of TV. Maybe I do. We'll see what we can do with this video when we edit it. So, there. So 2 cups of oats. Ta-da! And then we've got our half a cup of almond butter, which this is sticky and I'm gonna need a little help to get this out. So I got my little rubber spatula here. Let's encourage this to get out. I feel like Julia Childs right now. This is awesome. You talk while you're doing things, right? Okay, come on. All right, that's good. And then the other 2 are super easy, or the other 3. You just have coconut, 4th cup water, and your 4th cup honey. And that's it. See how that just comes right out, and pretty soon it'll just like stop dripping. I wish you could see the inside of the cup because it's like clean, because I had already sprayed it with the oil before I started the video. So you don't waste honey. So this is also Kirkland's brand. I don't know if you guys are Costco. It's raw honey from Utah. Did you know that it matters where you get your honey from? The more local, the better. And it can help with local allergies and things because you live in that area. So when you eat honey from that area, it can help your body with potential allergies, I should say. Okay, cool. So now all you're gonna do is mix it up. And I'm just gonna use a fork because I am. So you mix it up really good. And then once it's all mixed up, you just roll it. You just roll them into like 1-inch balls onto a cookie sheet. So I've got that right here. And 2 of them are a serving. This is actually part of the cleanse that I've done a few times, and it where I've lost weight every time. And actually that reminds me, I'm gonna put that on. I have a deal for you guys if you want to do that cleanse just for Abundantly Whole. And I just realized I forgot to post about it, so I will do that. Anyway, this recipe comes directly from that cleanse as a snack. It's one of the snacks that we eat. Okay, so check it out. This is what it looks like. Pretty good, huh? So easy, so easy. I just take my hands in here and I roll them around like this. That's kind of big. You can actually freeze these too. They are really good. They're not good frozen because that's kind of break your teeth. But you can just freeze them and then thaw them out, and within a few minutes, it doesn't take very long for them to thaw out, and you're good. You just stick them on there. So I would put those in the freezer and then put them in a bag so that they don't stick together in the bag. So I hope that was helpful, and let me know if you try it. Super easy. I'll put the recipe on this video too so that you can see all of the ingredients that I used. It's so easy, just throw it all together and that's it. Have a great day. We'll see you guys next time. My hands are so dirty. How am I gonna turn this on? Okay, you guys, edit to the recipe. Actually, not edit, I omitted the most important ingredient when I did it the first time. And I just spent a bunch of minutes putting all those balls together. And I just realized I totally forgot to put in the protein powder. Apparently, I'm not as good on camera at cooking as I am without the camera cooking. Anyway, so let's add that, shall we? Good grief. That is pretty funny. So, and I already put my bowl in the sink that I had done this with. So I dirtied another bowl too, but I wanted to show you guys. Make sure you put in 1 scoop. It's just 1 scoop. It will look different. That's so funny that I forgot that. It's actually gonna stick together better now too. Okay, so this is gonna look a little different now. A little more chocolatey. And by the way, you can use vanilla. You don't have to use chocolate, so it's up to you. So, funny, right? Just wanted to see if you guys were paying attention. But now all the ingredients are in there. Have a great day and enjoy. Let me know if you make them.